Hello, I'm Edward Tarte, math teacher. This is another in a series of solution videos to some of my math challenges. This challenge is the How High the Cone challenge, and here is how I presented that challenge in the original video. We have a circular disc, and it has been cut from the center. A portion of it has been cut out at a 45-degree angle. The disc has a radius of 16 centimeters. Then the disc is formed into a cone, as you see here, by bringing the two straight sides, the sides forming the 45-degree angle, bringing them together. And this is not drawn to scale, but the question is, what is the exact height of that cone? And to clarify what I mean, assuming that the cone is resting on a flat horizontal surface, I'm asking you for the length from the tip of the cone straight down to the center of the circular base. Here's my solution. This large arc from here around to here forms the entire circular base of the cone. Well, this is most of a complete circle, but 45 degrees of the complete circle has been eliminated. A complete circle contains 360 degrees. 45 degrees is 1/8 of 360. That means 7/8 of the circle remains. This large arc is 7/8 of what would be the complete circle. Now the complete circle would be given by the formula circumference equals 2 pi times the radius. The radius is 16 centimeters, so the complete circle would be 32 pi centimeters. This is 7/8 of that, which is 28 pi centimeters. And so that 28 pi centimeters is the circumference of the base of the cone. Again, using the circumference formula, circumference equals 2 pi times the radius, we find that the radius of this cone, the radius of the base of the cone is 14 centimeters. A shortcut is that 7/8 of this radius, 16 centimeters, is 14 centimeters. And I call h the height of the cone. Now this radius over here, 16 centimeters, becomes what is called the slant height of the cone. It can be shown here, or many other places. I show it also by this dotted red segment. So that length is 16 centimeters. We have here a right triangle shown in red, and I show that right triangle separately here. I will now label it. Height h, this leg 14, the hypotenuse 16. We use the Pythagorean equation to find the value of h. I write 14 squared plus h squared equals 16 squared. 14 squared is 196. We have that plus h squared equals 16 squared, which is 256. I subtract 196 from both sides. I have h squared equals 60. I take the square root of both sides. H equals the square root of 60, which is a perfectly good answer to the challenge. We could simplify the square root of 60. It happens to be the square root of 4 times 15. 4 is a perfect square. Its square root is 2. So we could also give the answer as 2 times the square root of 15. Either answer is perfectly correct in my opinion. The square root of 60 or 2 times the square root of 15. So that is my solution to my How High the Cone challenge. Thank you for watching this solution video.